Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the new Akko V3 Cream Yellow Pro switches that are basically a upgraded version from their Akko V3 Cream Yellows. Now the changes they made are the fact that the V3 Pros are now 5-pin. They feature a box stem which is dust proof for better stability. They upgraded silver contact to palladium gold. Not too sure what that does, and I also don't know really what upgrading the phosphor copper to an alloy copper does in terms of sound and performance, but they did lube the rails to reduce friction on the keyboard switch as well, and they're saying this should basically provide a more consistent typing experience than the original V3 Cream Yellows, and they go for around the same price as well. For 45 switches, these go for $10.99 on Akko's website and $13.99 on Amazon. Now I regularly use the Akko V3 Cream Yellows, so I'm very interested to see if these are actually an upgrade from that switch. Now when it comes to the specs of this switch, they are a linear switch with a 50-gram operating force, a total travel distance of 3.3 millimeters, and they do have a pre-travel distance of 2 millimeters. So the total travel distance is quite short. Now that could be a pro for some people, maybe if you like switches that do have a lower total travel distance, maybe for like gaming purposes, but for other people that might be too short. The switch itself is definitely better. I will say I didn't even have to put them into my keyboard to know that, because of the fact that just clicking on the switch outside of the keyboard there was no ping whatsoever, and they haven't even been lubed yet. They're also a lot less scratchier than stock Cream Yellows. This could be a great potential option if you don't really like to lube switches. They also sent me their Akko V3 Cream Blue Pro switches that I will be making a video on, so stay tuned for that one if you are interested. They still have that creamy sound signature, and they do obviously still sound better lubed, but the stock performance I think is really what is an upgrade compared to the original Cream Yellows. The Cream Yellows were very pingy and scratchy. These are definitely not either of those. I've been talking about how good they sound right out the box compared to the Cream Yellows, so why don't we hear a quick sound test so you guys can see how they sound. So yeah, like I said, that was the Cream Yellow Pros right out the box. They sounded great in my opinion, and they also feel very smooth due to those rails, I'm assuming, being lubed. The total travel distance being short, you can definitely feel it, but for me personally, I don't mind it. But like I said before, that could be a negative factor for you. But overall, I think they are definitely an upgrade over the original Cream Yellows, and if you like the Cream Yellows, then you're definitely gonna like these because they're an upgrade in terms of stability and smoothness in general over the originals. So I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below for Akko's website and of course Amazon as well, depending on which one you want to buy from. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about the Cream Yellow Pros over the Cream Yellow original switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.